that Christ-like love, that unconditional love. This man forgave and invited his brothers into his home, and after they sold him and left him for dead, they actually devised the whole plot. They debated how we're going to kill him, how we're going to get rid of him. They did this to their brother, their own flesh and blood. It just didn't make sense to me. Some of us will not be able to reintroduce ourselves because we are still carrying ill feelings from when James stepped on our shoes, or when Sally came to work with your dress on, or when Bobby took credit for the idea that you came up with. But you got to let go of the baggage before God can actually equip you with the things you need for the reintroduction. You got to let go of the pitch. You got to let go of the brokenness. You got to let go of the naysayers, the gossip, and the betrayal. God restored, matured, and elevated Joseph so he could reach back and get the ones that walked away from him. I stand today not reintroducing myself for glory, but simply to show you what God can do. He took me as a little country boy from South Carolina, socially awkward, and called him to do a great work. He took that little country boy who was turned away from church and loved by his father, and showed him that there is no limit to what God can do. And just when God brought him out of the pit, he fell back in, still knowing that the pit was not his final destination, still knowing that someone would be blessed and inspired by watching him scratch and claw his way out. But when God is in, he will fight all your battles. Amen.